Hello everyone, I am Kaustubh Gupta of section 9 and my roll number is 21BT30012 and this is my DIY assignment 3 and for this I am going to disassemble this CPU. So for disassembling this I am going to unscrew the screws of CPU cabinet with the help of this screwdriver. So now I have removed the side panels of the CPU and here you can see the internal parts of the CPU. Here you can see this is the SMPS, the switch mode power supply, which supplies the power to all the components of the CPU. Here you can see this is the HDD drive. I am going to unscrew it and take it out. As you all know, the HDD drive is a component of a CPU which stores all the data of the computer. And here, this is the CD drive where you can insert a CD drive and play the data present in the drive. And now, as you can see, this is the motherboard part of the CPU. And here, you can see a fan. Below it, a processor is present which processes all the functions of the computer. And this fan is present here to cool down the processor because on working it heats up. Now you can see these slots in the CPU. Here a RAM is inserted, like you can see here, a RAM is inserted here. RAM is like a temporary storage where all the processes happens firstly at RAM and then all the things are stored in the hard drive. Now, as you can see, these wires are coming from the SMPS and now they are connecting to the motherboard through an ETS plug which supplies all the power to the motherboard. And here, as you can see, these are the input and output plug outs of the CPU. You can see here, all these input and output plugs are there. And this is the AC 230 volt 3.5 ampere and 50 hertz input power supply plug by which we can supply the power to the SMPS and then it will supply the power to the CPU. So now we are going to reassemble the CPU. So this was my DIY assignment 3. Thank you.